the land ride. You see it's pretty good crowd in here. There's restaurants, snack shops here. That restaurant over there, Garden Grill, you can actually see a ride that goes through it, the land. And there's one of the most popular rides at Epcot, Soarin. And I've got a fast pass. It's good in about 20 minutes. You can use your fast pass 5 minutes before the time it has on it and 15 minutes afterwards. Although I've gone past 15 minutes, they still let you get on. Looks like for once both the escalators are working. You come out of Soarin over there. Standby line for the 90-minute wait, and walking up the Fast Pass concourse, which you'll see is much faster. Feel bad for the guys that don't really have no choice. It's their vacation.
Oh, he's looking at the camera, man. Games on that board, but for Fast Pass line,
but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little things.
Uh-oh.
Next, fasten your seatbelts and securing them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling.
No! That's terrible.
That's where it fell. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carrying item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah.
Have a seat.
Have a nice flight.
Yeah, I can.
So,
All right,
Brian, my question is, I just met an adoring family. They are from Argentina,
Right.
Patagonia,
Right.
and their son is 14,
Right.
4 more years of high school. But how do you apply to become a Disney, kid from another country to be here? Do you know anything about that?
Yeah, because it's from Argentina, I'm not sure if there's a World Showcase place where.
There's not.
Because that's where they hire people for the Native Land World Showcase. Disney has an Aspire program where you can go to college for free now, but that's for people who work here.
Right. Okay, because there was a boy from Cuba to get in here, and he doesn't.
Please do not rock or swing the gliders. Thank you.
But maybe that's, you know, that's where his family's originally from or something. So you're saying they really don't bring people from other countries if they don't have a world showcase?
They do have intern programs. So if he qualifies for an intern program, he'd be able to come here. And he could go through Disney Careers, just Google Disney Careers, and then their career website will come up. I'm trying to think.
So we're in the tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. Put your feet up.
Out the water.
Really?
Yep. You smell the dirt.